Stand by for a dispatch. At the 1500 meters, gates open, they're off and racing. We've got Copper Dew beating them at the start, while one slow out, that's Great Emma. As they settle, we have Copper Dew, the early leader, followed by Hard to Find in second. And in third, Hela Star, then comes Dancing Polly, 3 wide Earl Grey. In between those two comes Midnight King and Great Emma. As they leave the first straight, Copper Dew now moves up by about 2. Hard to Find still in second, then 3 lengths further back in third is a Dancing Polly alongside Hela Star, then followed over by Midnight King. Earl Grey second last, and in behind them still is a Great Emma as they pass the last 800. Copper Dew showing the way by a length and a half. Hard to Find remains in second, Dancing Polly still in third, and in fourth by that's a Midnight King, while Hela Star shuffle back in fifth. Earl Grey still second last, and Great Emma inside the last 500. Copper Dew now in whole haste. This time increases its marker to about 4 lengths. And in second, Midnight King moving up vital. Dancing Polly's racing on the outside. Hard to Find now. Shuffle back in fourth. 3 and 5. To travel, Copper Dew by about 4 lengths. Midnight King still in second, and in third we have Dancing Polly. Inside the last 100, it's all Copper Dew by about 5 lengths, followed by Midnight King on the outside, and finally Copper Dew. Midnight King, Dancing Polly, Hela Star, Earl Grey, Hard to Find, and Great Emma.